Hello viewers, welcome to the series on Adobe Premiere Pro. In this video, you will learn how to import and edit images and graphics and also how to create titles. Now, let us open the project. First, I will tell how to import images. Go to File, click Import. You can import through browser or you can import through File and Import. I have already stored few shots in my folder, that is stock shots. I am just selecting it. So, it is showing still images. I am clicking it and selecting it. Now, it is available in my project window. By double clicking, it will be shown in the source video monitor. Just select and drop on the timeline. I am just zooming the timeline. This is the image. You can see the total duration of the image is 5 seconds. This is the default duration of the image. I can extend it by clicking at the end of the image and dragging it. If I want to import multiple images and I want that duration of each image should be same, then I have to select the image duration. For that, I have to go to Edit, Preferences, Timeline, click it. It is showing still image default duration 5 seconds. I can increase or decrease as per the requirement of the project. Now, I am decreasing it to 2 seconds. And selecting OK. As I have adjusted the duration of the image, now if I import the image by going to File, Import, select the image. Now, open these images. These are available in the project panel. Now, select them. And place it on the timeline. Now, you can see the default duration of these images are, when I am clicking, 2 seconds. Sometimes the size of the image and the frame size does not match the frame size of the sequence which we have already set. So, just click it and right click it and select set to frame size. Now, you can see the frame size of these images are as per the frame size set in the sequence. Now, if you further reduce or increase the frame size, just select it, go to Effect Control, go to Motion, select scale. If the aspect ratio of this image does not match the aspect ratio of the video, then you can adjust it like this. You can also position it horizontally and vertically. By moving the cursor or by putting the value in the position. And also you can rotate this image. Going to rotate. In this way we can import and edit images. Again go to source monitor panel. Now I am having a PSD file. I am just importing it. Go to file, import, PSD file, open it. So it is having multiple options. I can import as a individual layer or I can import as a merge layer. So just select merge layers or individual layer. If I am selecting individual layer, then it is showing the different layers. I can check and uncheck which layer I want to import. If I want all the layers, then I will select merge all layers and select OK. Now my PSD file is here. I am just selecting it, dragging and dropping on the timeline. This is a PSD file, merged PSD file. Now we will create titles. For this we have to change the workspace. We have to go to graphics, just reset to save layout. This is the workspace or default layout for the graphics. Now here are essential graphics panel. In this there are two tabs, browse and edit. When I select browse, there are different layouts for the graphics. I can just select, drag and drop on the timeline. Here it is. And when I want to edit it, so I can select text, just select this, click it, I can change the size from this icon. I can change the font, or even I can change the color of the text. This is the fill. Fill is the color of the text. I can change the font, just select it, size of the font, even color of the font. There are two layers. So I am just changing it. You can see at the right hand side there are number of layers for each line, for each text there are number of layers. When I am seeing this text tool, there is a little icon is there, triangle. When I am clicking it, it is showing type tool and vertical type tool. When I am selecting it vertical type tool, I am clicking here and writing something. NITTTR. Just select the layer. Change the size. Change the text style. I am selecting Arial bold. Now you can see it is written NITTTR. I am changing the color so that it will be visible to you. See, NITTTR. Here is a pen tool also. When I am clicking it and holding it, there are different shapes. Rectangle tool, ellipse tool. I am selecting rectangle tool. I am drawing rectangle here. So this is the rectangle tool and this is the shape. Here this is the layer. I can move this layer below the text so that text will be visible. Just selecting it. Now you can see the text is visible and that rectangle is behind the text. You can change the color of the rectangle also. You can give the stroke. Color I will change again. It's not visible. I think now it's visible. So in this way we can create text in our project. Now when texting is finished, title is finished, then again go back to editing workspace. That's all for today. In the next lecture, we will learn how to trim clips on the timeline and on the project monitor. Till then, goodbye.